What's up guys, you're watching the Stitch Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe. And like today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is CE-30774-1 cannot update. It's a application update error or system software update error, and I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we are at the screen. You must check your application is up to date or not. If needs to update, you just do it update and go to the settings here, and you must check the system software is up to date or not. If the system software is up to not updating, you must do it update. And you, for both, you must go check the storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage, that's why your system software is not going to update or your application is not going to update. And sometimes you're having a corrupted files. So what to do, you just turn off your PlayStation 4 and go to the safe mode. There's a rebuild database, you just rebuild the database. And you must check the system server. Sometimes the server is down, that's why you're also not going to update, or your system is not going to update, or your application is not going to update, and your network is not connecting. So simply you just check it and check the settings. If your network is not working, you can change the DNS settings, primary settings, secondary settings, also a DNS, change it. And simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.